Hi kids, I'm Danny the Dinosaur. Today we will learn about two kinds of special cars, an ambulance and a fire truck. Now pay attention, and if you answer all the questions, we will open this little secret box. Oh boy, I wonder what's in there. Are you ready? Then let's bounce.
Clever little dinosaur, Danny knows a lot for sure. Danny reads a lot of books, dreams be smarter even more. Clever Danny, it's so funny to explore. Clever Danny, pretty little dinosaur.
Looky here, kids. It's an ambulance. Usually, ambulance cars are painted white and have a red stripe and a big red cross, which means that there are doctors inside the car. When an ambulance is in a rush, doctors turn on special flashing lights. And they use sirens that make loud yelping sounds. When other drivers see and hear those sounds, they give way to the ambulance because they know that doctors are on a mission. And this is a fire truck. Fire trucks are fighting fire. If there's a fire, they come to rescue. Fire trucks are always red. Every fire truck has a large ladder on top. Firefighters in special costumes and helmets use these ladders to get on top of tall buildings and save people. When a house or a flat is on fire, people call firefighters. Like ambulance cars, fire trucks use sirens to let other drivers know they're in a rush. Other drivers see them coming and let them come through. Okay, now let's see how well you remember the lesson. Look at the picture and try to find an ambulance. So, is this an ambulance? No. How about this car? No. It should be white and have a red cross on it, remember? How about this one here? Oh no, it's a fire truck. Maybe this is an ambulance car. That's right. Great job, you guys. You found it. And now, let's try and find the right cars for the doctor and the fireman. Now, who's our first rescuer? He wears a special costume and a helmet. That's right, a fireman. And what kind of car does a fireman drive? This one. Nope, it should be red, remember? Maybe this one. Nope, it should have a ladder on top. This one? Yep, that's the one. And who's this? Yes, it's a doctor. Doctors drive ambulance cars that have flashing warning lights. Is this an ambulance? Nope, it should be white, remember? Maybe it's this one. Yep, that's the one. You did it! You've done great today. Come on, let's open up our little secret box. Wow, it's a brand new game. Hey, let's put together the ambulance car. Where should we start? Let's start with the cabin. Is this the cabin we're looking for? No, it's a red fire truck cabin. Maybe this is the one we need. Yep, that's the one. Now let's find the other half. Is this it? No, it's black. We need the one that is white. Maybe this is the one. Yes, that's the one. But there's still something missing. Do you know what's missing? Well, of course, the flashlights are missing. Look, kids, what a great ambulance car we've got here. Great job. Come back again soon, kids. There's so much more to learn. See you later. Bye-bye.